Hey everyone, I'm Mike Olson from Nerdient, and today I'm going to show you how to get started using Google Drive. Let's start briefly by talking about what Google Drive actually is, and I think it's easier if you break it down into three separate components. The first is a productivity suite similar to Microsoft Office. The second component of Google Drive is a collaboration and sharing app where you can share a wide variety of files. And the third part of Google Drive is a robust file storage and backup service. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the first part of Google Drive, the Productivity Suite, as well as get you comfortable moving around Google Drive. A couple things before we get going. Google Drive can be used on your computer through a web browser, as well as on your phone or tablet using an app. Also, there are two types of Google Drive. There's the consumer version with the proper name of Google Drive, and the business version that's called G Suite. Functionally, for what we're going to talk about today, they both operate in the same manner. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, open your browser and go to drive.google.com and sign into your Google account. Here you will see the basic layout of Google Drive. Right here is where you can find your settings, and right now the defaults are just fine, so no need to change any of that. Over on the left here, we are concerned right now with just a couple of areas. My Drive, where we are going to find all our files and folders, and the New button. First up is simply creating a simple folder. We are going to create a folder for our fictional widget company simply by clicking New, then Folder, and then naming our folder. Alright, let's take a look at the center area here. Here's where you're going to see something called Quick Access and Folders. As you add more content to your Google Drive, this area will start to populate with files that Drive thinks are most important. And here in the Folders section, you will see all the files and folders you have created and uploaded. Let's double click into our widget folder and begin to create documents. Again, go to New, and this time select a Google Doc and create a new blank document. As you can see, a Google Doc is a standard word processing tool. First thing I like to do is give the document a name. As you can see across the top here, you have all of your basic word processing formatting options. Here I'm just going to create a basic document with a title and a simple numbered list. Now the great thing about Google Drive is your documents are saved as you go. No need to ever worry about hitting the save button, and when you're done you can just close your document out. Now at our Google Drive homepage, with a quick refresh we can see the file that we created. Next we are going to create a new Google Sheet by going to New and selecting Google Sheet. Again, I always try to name my new documents right away so I don't forget. As you probably guessed, Google Sheets is similar to any spreadsheet software that you may be familiar with, especially Microsoft Excel. Here, I am simply creating a simple spreadsheet. Again, everything autosaves in Google Drive, so once you're done, you can simply close out the sheet, and with another quick refresh, the document appears in our Google Drive. Next is Slides, which is a slideshow tool similar to Microsoft PowerPoint or Apple Keynote. The process here should feel familiar and easy. Here you can see me selecting a template, inserting some text and titles, creating a new slide, and on and on. Now let's say you have some documents on your computer, be it a photo or maybe even a video, that you want to be able to use in a document. Well, you can simply just upload those files. Simply go to the New button, hit File Upload, find that file on your computer, and just like that, it's uploading to your Google Drive. Here I've uploaded a video, and once that upload is done, just like everything else, it appears right here in my Google Drive. Now watch how simple it is to add that video to a Google slide. Just open up that slideshow you created earlier, create a new slide, add the video, choose it right from your Google Drive, and just like that, you've added video to your slideshow. Now let's take a look at doing similar things on the mobile side of things. I'm using the Android version here of Google Drive, but the iOS app is nearly identical. One thing to note here is that Google separates out the apps. So in addition to installing the Google Drive app, you may also need to install the Docs, Sheets, and Slideshow app. Alright, so here's the Google Drive app, And here you can see the widget folder that we created earlier. To create a new document, just hit the plus button down at the bottom left. Here you can see the same options just like on the desktop version. Let's go ahead and create a new doc. Again, we can enter our content and name our document. Once done editing, you'll hit the check mark and the doc shows up right in your Google Drive. We can also upload files right from the app. Click the new button, then upload, then find the file you want to upload on your phone, and it's uploaded to your Google Drive. Okay, I think that's a good place to stop for this video. A very simple introduction into the productivity side of Google Drive. In my next video, I will introduce you to file sharing inside of Google Drive. Until then, this is Mike from Nerdient, and thank you for watching.